Hey awesome ones! So today we're going to do a fashion video where we're going to switch it up a little bit, and Bill's going to do the fashion video today with men's clothing. So take it away, Bill.
Hey awesome ones! Hey, welcome to Fashion Friday. You're used to seeing Heather here, I know that, but for today I thought I'd take over, and I thought maybe I'd show some fashions for the guys for a change, and maybe in the future we'll do a little more as well, so stay tuned. Hey, I'm no fashion expert and I'm not in the business either, but I know what I like, and you know what? I like to look good, and when you look good you feel good. Both of those go together perfectly. Now, I've noticed a lot of trends over the years that have come, for example, red sneakers, ripped jeans, and you know what? There's a lot of those trends that come that it's just not me, you know? I just can't get into that. However, I have noticed a few that have come our way, and you know what? I really like them. It's kind of caught my eye, and that's what I want to talk to you about right now. So I've found a few trends, actually 5 of them, that I think are going to stick around for a while, and that's what I wanted to show you. And it's going to start with the one I'm wearing, actually. Now, this trend is a fitted, tighter look, a slim look, fitted slim look. You're going to see that the shirt is a little bit more tapered, and the pants are very slim and narrow as well. And I used to have the baggy look, and I'm going to show you that right now, this baggy look. Now, what you see here is I have a nice shirt, but it's just not as tapered. It's not coming in, it's not forming to my body. The pants, with the pants here, it's very baggy, and you'll notice at the bottom of the pants here that it's almost like bell bottoms. So the look back then was a lot baggier, for lack of a better word, and now we're back to a slimmer, more fitted look, which I think accents your physique a lot better. And we all have different sizes, where some of us are heavier, but it's finding the right size and going from that point on. Hey, just before I give you the number 2 trend I've noticed, it's a little different today. You may have noticed the camera work seems a little different. Heather's on the other side of the camera today, so my apologies ahead of time.
Hey, wait a minute.
Anyways, Heather, say hello, Heather.
Hello, Heather.
There we go. So, like I said, we're switching things around today. Now, getting back to number 2. The number 2 trend that I've noticed over the last few years, and especially recently, are the colors. There seems to be more of a trend. Guys are now wearing more colors. Heather and I went out the other day to the mall, and she said, "Oh, Bill, try this on." And I went, "I'm not trying on a pink shirt. No bloody way, right? I can't wear pink. I'm not going to try it on." And what did she say?
Hey, I just did a video on all pink things. Anyway.
I tried it on.
Yeah, I know.
And you know what? It actually looked good, and this is what I've got on right now. I mean, I can wear this with beige pants, dark pants, navy, black. But the point is, I had to get out of my comfort zone, and that was getting into other colors. So experiment with some colors. One thing I want to show you, this is probably the color most of us tend to wear a lot of, especially guys too, you know, black. I don't know if you can see that or not, but the black. So what I'm saying now is, let's try and experiment. I've got this long sleeve shirt, and again, it's kind of pink, but it looks great in the fall when I'm wearing it with my khakis, my brown shoes. It really works. Another color that looks good on me anyways is like a yellow type shirt. And this looks great with jeans, really good with jeans. And of course, blue. So you've got your blues, your yellows, your pinks, and experiment. That's all I'm saying is for my number 2, experiment. So number 3, it's all about the material. And I'm talking right now about athletic apparel. I love to golf. I love to ride my bike. I love to play sports. But I found that the materials they make now work a lot better on you. They wick away the sweat from you. They keep you cooler. They also keep you warmer if you're out in the cooler weather. Let me show you an example here. This is what I used to wear. Now it's pretty similar, but you can see that it's an all cotton t-shirt, and it would just, the sweat would just be covering it, it'd be covering me, and you just don't feel comfortable when you're performing like that. So again, it's all about the materials now they make, and it keeps the sweat off of you and it keeps you cooler, and hey, I love it. So that brings us to number 4. Number 4 for me are fun socks, crazy socks, wild socks, whatever you want to call it. And as I mentioned to you earlier, I'm pretty conservative in my fashions, but I've started to get into the fun socks. Let me show you a couple of the ones I have here. For example, this one here, I don't know if you can see it or not. This one I just purchased recently, and it's got some frogs on it. I don't know if you can see that. Some frogs on it. So I'm going to wear this with my black pants, maybe some navy, and behind that I also have like a blue designer kind of, I don't know what you'd call that design, but it's getting away from the drab. Something a little bit more exciting or fun, as they say. And just before I forget, we're no longer going to put the link back to our blog in the first comment. We're actually now going to have it in the description of the video, the YouTube video, so check it out from there. So that brings us to number 5, and at number 5, the number 5 trend that I've noticed over the years is the untucked look. You may have noticed everything I've worn today in the video has been untucked, which is kind of hard again for me, because in my comfort zone growing up, everything was tucked in. But over the years, they've started designing clothes that are shorter in their length. And even if they're not, you can always go buy something a size smaller, so it doesn't ride down as far. But so the untucked look, I think, is here to stay. I'm seeing it everywhere, not only amongst young people, but people our age, over 50. And you know what? It's really, really looking good. So check it out too. And of course, one guy that's always in fashion, Little Hurricane. He never seems to change. But hey, we want to thank you guys for joining. I want to thank you for joining me on this fashion video I did about the top 5 trends. And if you're just joining us for the first time, we've got a subscribe button down there. Press it and join our community. We've got a great community. On the Fridays, Heather usually does the fashion and the beauty videos. Tuesday are more lifestyle videos, such videos along that line. So we'd love to have you. Let's start again.
No, it's okay. Keep going. Distractions are part of the game, and Hurricane's on guard.
Are you on guard, Hurricane?
He certainly is. Keep going, babe.
Hurricane's our little terrier, so he's always on guard when he hears some noises. But what I'm trying to say is, thanks for joining us, and we love having you. From the bottom of our hearts, we love having you as part of our community. And you know what? We're going to see you later, awesome ones.
Everyone's invited to subscribe and join us on our videos.